So today I've got something that I'm really quite excited about, and this is a mystery bag or a sample sale or clearance bags like thing. Basically it's a mystery bag. They do a £10 one, a £20 one and a £50 one. I got the £20 one and it's from Gypsy Shrine. Now I've had something from Gypsy Shrine, but I've never bought on their website, and I've seen these, they got just advertised to me on, I think, Instagram, and you know, like Instagram made me buy it sort of thing. Yes, I'm dead excited about this. So I got the £20 one, but the £20 mystery bag is meant to have £90 worth of stuff. They do a £50 one and a £10 one. If this is really good, I might debate on getting the, I might get the £10 one, but if it's really good, I might debate on the £50 one. Actually, I do not need that much. But this is supposed to have more than £90 worth of stuff in it. And if you don't know, I love glitters and stuff like that. So I thought this might have glitters in it and things like that. So it's completely a surprise. I do not know what's in it. Some of you can hear kids, they're playing in their gardens. But it comes in a lovely gift bag. So if some of the stuff that maybe I want to gift along, I could probably gift them along in this bag. So we're just going to grab the first thing out. And the first thing out is the Mirror All-in-One Jewel, which is a DC one. I'll have to look that up actually. But that looks gorgeous. Definitely be good for Halloween. Like, people probably say these and think festivals. As soon as I say face gems and stuff like that, I think Halloween. But yeah, I don't know what that is for. I don't know, maybe if it's for your chest. It's obviously a DC Comics person, but that's really nice. So I don't know, like, about face jewels. Some I will get you stuff off for Halloween. Next is a glitter, which I can't wait to use these on nails. That's what I was thinking. This is a glitter mix. And if you can see, it's got like stars and hexagons and everything like that in. Oh, really pretty, really pretty. So you can tell me whether you think I got my £20 worth or whether you think this was worth £90, because that's what it's meant to be, £90 worth. And this feels full of the brim, this glitter bag though. Right, so we've got another face jewel thing, or another jewel thing. This is the Dripping in Jewels Mix and Match Jewels. These will be really good for Halloween. Really good. Some of these would be good for my niece, you know, because she's young. Really good. And I mean, these face jewels and that, especially the Gypsy Shrine ones, are pricey, aren't they? So the next item I've got is a glitter and makeup setting spray. Oh, that looks good. This is 30 mils. Kids are going crazy today. Getting tell off of their parents. Yeah, so that looks really nice. What's it smell like? It just smells normal, so I'm excited about that. Ooh, got lots of face jewels by the looks of it. We've got the Unicorn Crown All-in-One Face Jewel. This would be good if you are a mermaid for Halloween. Right, let's have a look. There's another one. Oh, I definitely can't wait. I'm gonna really do some good Halloween looks. I think because me and my friend Sarah always gets dressed here, and so does my sister, so I feel like we're gonna have to use these for Halloween. And then another one, this one is like Wonder Woman-y. It reminds me of, this is the Alien Face Jewels. Oh, and that's that one there. Definitely, definitely. Oh, we've got another glitter mix. Oh, this one's really pretty. It's just like very finely, it's called Iridescent Daymond. I hope I haven't popped a hole in my nail. I was just thinking there. Really pretty. Then the next item is another face jewel, and this is really pretty. I think this is my favourite up right now. This is the Desert Rose face jewel. I don't know, can you see how it catches the light? That's stunning. And then we've got a big thing, which is a Batgirl All-in-One Body Jewel. Now this is definitely something that I don't think I'm interested in. I'm not really interested in Batman or Batwoman or anything like this. So this is like a dud one for me. But if you were, that is really good. That's a DC Comics one and all though. So I mean, that's good really when you think about it. next we've got the Booby Jewels. You know what, secretly I was thinking, oh, I hope I get the Booby Jewels just so I can see them. I don't think I would wear them, but I've always fancied, like, I don't know, looking at these. I'm chuffed that I got the Booby Jewels. No, that's really good. Because these are pricey, the Booby ones. I don't think I would go out and wear them. I don't know who would wear them. You'd have to be really confident. But yeah, I got them ones. So the next one is this, like a mask one. And then this one is the Pearl Skull face mask. I love this one. Oh, I think I'm all kitted out for face jewels for Halloween. I remember last year I wanted face jewels for Halloween and they were so expensive. So I'm happy about that. I definitely feel like I got my £20 worth for 100% sure. Other unboxings I've watched, people have got more like glitters and things like that. I think I got 2 glitters. Wait there, we'll go through the ones I've unboxed, like the £10 one I think I watched someone unbox. They got like more glitters, I feel like. I don't know for definite, but I got the setting spray, bargain. The 2 glitters, which are so pretty. I'm so excited about these. And granted, like I say, I only paid £20 for this. And I got this face one, this face one, this face one, this face one, this face one. So they're very similar, but nice. This face one. And then I got this Batman one. I don't like that one. These, really like these. These are like, be really handy just to put an odd jump here, things like that. This one, I'm going to have to look up who this is. This is a DC Comics one too. And then the Booby ones, which I think is just so funny. Yeah, so I definitely feel like I got my £20 worth. Whether I feel like I got £90 worth, I don't know. Because I feel like a lot of these are sale items, if you know what I mean. But full price, definitely probably did, because these are pricey, I know that. But yeah, I feel like I'm all kitted out definitely for Halloween. I maybe even might try and do like Halloween looks on here instead of just like having them for actual Halloween, because if you don't know, I always have a Halloween party. But yeah, I think these are really nice. I feel like I got my £20 worth and it was just something fun and I really enjoyed it. And then some of these things I can gift along for their Halloween looks. What do you guys think of this mystery bag from Gypsy Shrine? Oh, and I had to tell you, when I done this order, I got like nearly £5 worth of like points off them to spend on their website when you order. When you sign up, you get points, and when you order, you get points. And then I connected on Instagram and I got points, and I'm about £5 in points, like a reward system. So I thought that was good too, just in case, because their glitters are beautiful. So yeah, I'm really excited about all these things. Actually, I'm going to have a proper look at them now. But if you like these type of videos, please subscribe down below, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.